Hey friend, welcome. I'm Jen. I'm a part-time online clothing reseller, and that means I go to thrift stores, I buy used clothes, I list them on eBay and Poshmark, and I sell them for hopefully a profit. I then have to package those items and ship them out. And today I want to show you how I get free or almost free shipping supplies from eBay just for having a store. So I'm not super great with the technology, so I'm gonna do this the old school way, and instead of screen sharing, I'm gonna just record my screen. I know that's probably terrible, but bear with me. Here I am on my Seller Hub. This is the product research tool that I use often. I'm gonna go over here to store, and I am going to scroll down to subscriber discounts, and I'm gonna click on that. Then right here it says eBay shipping supplies, and it says it ends June 30th, which is so soon. So I'm going to see details, and it gives me my coupon code right here. Don't worry, you can't use it because I'm gonna use it right now. You can copy it here or hit start shopping. So I could just copy it to my, like copy and paste. And then I'm gonna hit start shopping. And start shopping sends me to this lovely eBay store where it says eBay shipping supplies. And you can shop all items, or you can search items, or you can sort. So I'm not really gonna do any of that. I'm gonna kind of scroll through and show you what you can get. So there's boxes, there are poly mailers, there's bubble mailers, there's tape, more boxes, tissue paper. I wouldn't recommend that so much, but I mean, you do what you want to do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Ooh, compostable poly mailers. I did not know that was a thing. That's kind of exciting. Yep. So there's more boxes, more boxes. Oh, there are thank you cards. I don't think those are necessary. There are thank you stickers. Again, I think you can get cheaper ones even with the coupon. You can get cheaper ones on Amazon. And then there are some more, stickers and some more mailers. So those are kind of the options that you can do. I need poly mailers right now. I actually have none. 0 poly mailers. So I'm kind of interested in these compostable ones just because I really care about the environment. I kind of want to try it. These are 9 by 11.5, which is a little smaller than what I usually get, which is 10 by 13. I'm gonna see how many. Yeah, 200 is $43. I have a $50 coupon because of the size of my store. 400 is gonna be too much. I don't want to pay that much. So I think what I'll do is go ahead and do 100, which is $28. So that means I still have about $23 left to use. What I might do is, I need to find my 10 by 13 poly mailers that I like. This is gonna be the boring part, sorry. Gotta try and find them. Oh, sorry, they are, oh wait, look at that, 10 by 12.5. That is what I'm wanting. So that makes it $43.99, and I'm gonna add that to my cart. I don't know, that might not be the right way to do it. Okay, I'm gonna load up my cart and then I'll be right back. Okay, it looks like they have replaced all their poly mailers with the compostable ones, which I am really glad about. So I have those loaded in my cart. I have a 200 pack loaded in my cart. That doesn't quite reach my $50, but all right, down at the bottom here, it shows me that my coupon is available, so I can click on that. And then over here, it just says confirm and pay. And so I'm just going to complete my transaction. I hope that was helpful. If it was, make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and let me know if you have an eBay store, if you've used the coupon. If you've used the coupon, what have you used it for? What did you buy with it? I would really love to know. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you soon.